New Gemini and Google Maps update. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps on your device. After you've opened Google Maps on your device, scroll upwards the bar from the bottom. Here from Gemini, you'll find famous places near you, foodie drop, signature sites, and also some hotels. You can also click on dinner pics at the top, which will directly show you the dinner pics. Another thing which you can also do is U tab. To go to U tab, click on U at the bottom, and here you can simply categorize, filter as you want. Press on apply. You'll find all your saved places as well. And if there is any option in your area, you will find reviews. In reviews, while adding review, you will also find specific text which you can add. You can simply click on review and you'll find it here. It's not available in my region, but it will give you some review questions. You can simply click on it and post it as well. And this is the new Gemini and Google Maps update. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.